Got a Ford Escape? Bluetooth giving you the blues? Let's fix that together. First, make sure your phone's Bluetooth is on. Sounds simple, but sometimes it's the little things. Next, ensure your Ford Escape is in park. Safety first, right? Now head to your Escapes menu and select Settings. Then choose Bluetooth and hit Add Device. Check your phone. Do you see Ford Escape in the devices list? Great, tap it. If you're prompted for a PIN, enter the numbers displayed on your car's screen. They should match. If not, start over and try again. Still no luck? Try restarting your phone and your car. Sometimes tech just needs a little reset. For stubborn issues, delete the paired connection on both your car and phone, then repair them from scratch. This cleans up any bugs. Remember, software updates are your friend. Ensure both your phone and your Ford Escape have the latest updates installed. If all else fails, consult your owner's manual or visit your local Ford dealer. They're there to help, so don't let Bluetooth issues slow you down. Happy driving.